Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, first off, I'm just so excited to be back in front of the camera. It's been, I don't know, 2-3 weeks since I've done anything beauty related because I have been going to Brookville Lake, I've been going to Lake Cumberland, I've been vlogging that. So to just sit down in front of the camera feels really, really good. Instead of doing a full-blown makeup tutorial today, I wanted to show you what I realistically wear when I go to the lake or to the beach because my dog sounds like he's dying. I wanted to show you what I actually wear, and it's not a lot. It's super easy, very glowy. So if you would like to see this look, then keep on watching. After I cleanse my face, what I moisturize with is the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 moisturizer. I like to use this because it has the SPF 15 in it and it's fragrance free. They have two different ones. One is with the fragrance, I guess, and one is a fragrance free one, but I like this one. It gives my skin just a natural, glowy, dewy look to it. That's why I love this stuff, and basically I always use it before I do my makeup as well, just so it gives me that beautiful glow to my skin. So this is step 1 in my routine. And then I like to go in with one of the 55 Mario Badescu rose water sprays I have out there. Actually, in reality, I think there's only 3 of them. This is the one with the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This stuff is just so refreshing. Sometimes I'll even pop it in my beach bag just to give myself a little spritz while I'm on the beach when it's really, really hot. I feel like I'm talking 4,000 miles an hour. Too much coffee, too much coffee. Because I have oily skin, I am and always have been obsessed with the MAC Studio Fix powders. It's actually a powder foundation, but I just feel like I don't know how some of you super women and men out there wear foundations, like liquid foundations and concealers and all that stuff on your face when it's like 95 degrees out, because I just feel like an oily, just disgusting mess when I wear that to where, I don't know, it just feels so nasty on my face. Obviously, it's probably because I have oily skin, but this stuff is my best friend. I love using it. This is in the shade NW25. I have several different shades of this foundation, but when I'm a little lighter, when my self-tan has faded a little bit, I can use this shade as a bronzer and just to bring some color back to my face. And my powder brush is over there. Excuse me. So I like to just swirl a stippling brush right in there, get a majority of the product off, and then start in where I would usually contour, because that's where I want the most product, and to give myself more of a natural contour. And then I'll just work my way down, getting the excess product off of my brush, just kind of on other parts of my face. And just like I'd be bronzing or contouring, everywhere on my face is where I'll start and then work my way down. I'll obviously put it on my neck and on my chest if I feel like I need some color there. If I want a little more of a chiseled or bronze look, I'll go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and kind of just bronze my face up a little bit. I don't always do this, but if I want a little more of a bronze or chisel look, I'll do it. My face is always more pale than the rest of my body because I do not tan well at all. I always spray tan or use self-tanner, and I don't really like it on my face too much. So, and then I would never just go out in the sun without sunscreen, especially on my face. So my face is always naturally just its normal pale pasty self a majority of the time. So It takes a little more effort if I'm doing a more natural look to get it to match the rest of my body, but doing so with bronzers and blush, just because I have natural pinky undertones, red undertones, my face gets red really easy when I get hot, so I just like to add some color to it. Even though it will naturally turn red and give me some color when I'm outside, but I just feel like, why not just add a little bit to enhance my features and really bring out my cheekbones and jawline and things like that. Now I will go in with one of my favorite blush shades. It's from the Morphe 9B palette. It is this corally pink shade right here. I absolutely love this color. It is my go-to spring and summer color, and I really blush up my cheeks. And I love to put blush on my nose and on my forehead where I contoured. And then I will go back in with that stippling brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit. What I like to look like is that I got a little bit of sun without really being sunburnt. I know that sounds really, really weird, but I just want some color to my face. And then the star of the show is the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. I put this stuff everywhere when I am at the lake or at the beach. This is what gives me that glow, baby. If you want to glow, you need this highlighter in your life. And I really just like to stay right here. Ooh, yes. I always feel like you can never have too much highlighter in the summer if you're going to be out on the beach. So I go a little cray-cray with the highlighter. This highlighter is just bomb. Love it. I even put a little bit on my chin. And of course, I do the nose highlight. But this highlighter, I go crazy with this highlighter. I also take it in the inner corners. And I just go back over it, not with necessarily any additional blush. I just kind of just go over it. And then I will spray my face again with that Mario Badescu spray. For mascara, I will use my favorite mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. And I have a lot of travel size stuff, like my bronzers travel size, my mascara, just because with the camper and going everywhere, I'm not going to take full sizes of everything. So it's always nice to have travel sizes of products. This is small enough. This is going with me no matter what. So I curl my lashes a good 2 to 3 times since I have little stubby, non-cooperative, uncurled, not good lashes. I feel like this mascara is the only mascara that lengthens my natural lashes, but also keeps the curl. A lot of mascaras will completely take the curl out, not lengthen, just make my lashes look really chunky. This mascara I love it. It just really works for my natural lashes. If you're the type of person that actually, when you swim, you go under the water, you get your hair and face wet, this probably isn't the look for you. I personally do not ever want to do my hair if I'm on vacation. My hair is too intense, too much for me to do in a camper. In the little camper we have, I am not going under the water. I am not getting my hair wet. If like the bottom part of my hair gets wet, it's fine, whatever. But I just don't, you know, I'm the type of swimmer from here down. That's what's getting wet, you know? I still like to look a little cute. Like, I look hideous with bone straight hair and the frizz gets to my hair, you know? I can't, it's not cute. if I go under the water. I can't pull that look off. I never have, and I never will. I don't like to put as much mascara on my bottom lashes because I know I will be sweating, and this mascara does transfer down. Like if I sleep with this mascara on, I wake up, I mean, I look dead because it is just all under my eye. So I don't put 2 coats on my bottom lashes, but I do put 2 coats on my top lashes. Honestly, I don't do much with my brows when I'm at the lake or at the beach. I don't know, I fill in where necessary, but I really embrace my teeny little thin 90s brows. That's what I embrace them. Plus I know I will eventually take a towel and wipe my face because of the sweat, and my brows are gonna come off. Let's just be real about it. That's all I got time for, because honestly, I don't my brows. I just don't. And as far as my lips, I just put a gloss on. Just a little gloss. One of my favorites is the NYX, I think this is Creme Brulee. Ooh, I dropped it. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. And boom, there you go. This is literally what I do when I'm going to the lake and what I've been doing when I go to the lake. I told you it wasn't a lot. This might be a lot for some because a lot of people probably don't wear a drop of makeup when they go to the beach. Good for you. You can pull that off. I like to look a little cute, just a tad. Look a little glowy and glossy, and it makes me feel better about going to the beach, looking a little cute, you know? Simple, fast, easy, that is what I like. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And when you hit that bell, click the always notification so you always see my videos. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.